Hi, good morning to everyone. Last class we have discussed calculation of interest on drawings. Three different methods can be followed for calculation of interest on drawings. First one, direct method, product method and average period method. Today's session we are going to discuss salary and commission to partners, distribution of profits among partners and profit and loss appropriation account. First one, salary and commission to partners. In a partnership firm, if any one of the partners is working as an active partner or they act as an agent in the partnership firm, how to pass journal entries for salary and commission to partners. Make column for journal entries, date particulars, LF or debit and credit column. Partners, particular partners salary account data, particular partners commission account data to partners capital or current account. If they are maintaining fluctuating capital method, we have to use the word name of the partners capital account. If they are following fixed capital method, we have to use name of the partners current account. So this entry will be closed in the year end. For closing partner salary and commission account at the end of the accounting year is profit and loss appropriation account data to the particular partner's salary account to particular partner's commission account. So closing entry will be given. So let me see how to do. And commission to partners may be allowed as a percentage of net profit before charging such commission or as a percentage of net profit after charging such commission. So look at the word before charging such commission, then after charging such commission on net profit. So commission is calculated under two situations. The word is given calculation as a percentage of net profit before charging such commission. The formula will be used. Net profit before charging commission into rate of commission by 100. If the word is given in the question, the following formula will be used. Commission as a percentage of net profit after charging. Look at the word after charging such commission. So in this situation, net profit before commission into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. For example, rate of commission is given 10%. We have to write 10 by 110, 110. If rate of commission is given 20%, 20 divided by 120. If the word is given after charging such commission. So using this formula, how to calculate commission? Let me read the question. The question number 19. Janani, Kamali and Lakshmi are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. As per the terms of the partnership deed, Kamali is allowed a monthly salary of rupees 10,000. Please underline the word monthly. So Kamali is eligible to get monthly salary 10,000. So yearly 10,000 into 12 multiplied by 12. So 1,20,000 per annum. And Lakshmi is allowed a commission of rupees 40,000 per annum. So for Lakshmi's commission, annual commission, it is given in the question itself. For their contribution to the business of the firm, you are required to pass the journal entry, necessary journal entry. Assume that their capitals are fluctuating. Underline the word fluctuating. Fluctuating capital method means they are going to open only one account, capital account. So calculate our salary to Kamali 10,000 into 12. So 1,20,000 salary to Kamali. Commission to Lakshmi 40,000 per annum. Create journal format. Write the getting journal entries. Date particulars LF, debit and credit column. So first one, Kamali's salary account debtor to Kamali's capital account credit. So Kamali's salary transferred to her capital account. Then Lakshmi's commission account debtor to Lakshmi's capital account credit 40,000. So Lakshmi's commission transferred to her capital account. Then these two, salary and commission account, should be transferred to profit and loss account. That means profit and loss appropriation account debtor. Add these two amount 1,20,000 plus 40,000, 1,60,000. That means according to the business, payment of salary and commission to the partners, it is an expenses. So 1,60,000 debit to Kamali's salary account credit 1,20,000 to Lakshmi's commission account credit sign 40,000. So salary and commission account transferred. Now move on to question number 20. Sibi and Manoj are partners in a firm. Sibi is to get a commission of 20% of net profit before charging any commission. So charging commission will be given two situations. So in this question, Sibi's commission 20% of net profit before charging. Underline the word before. And Manoj is to get a commission of 20% on net profit after charging. Underline the word after charging. Before charging, for Manoj, after charging all commission. Look at the next one. Net profit for the year ended 31st December 2018 before charging any commission was 60,000. So the firm made profit 60,000 net profit. On this amount only we are going to calculate commission for the partners. Find the commission of Sibi and Manoj. Also show the distribution of profit. So first step we have to calculate commission for Sibi. So write the formula. Already we have learned two situations are there. So net profit before commission into percentage of commission by 100. So look at net profit amount 60,000 into Sibi's rate of commission 20 by 100. So substitute, bring in the lowest term. So we got 12,000. Cancel the amount, we got 12,000. Sibi's commission 12,000. So from the net profit we gave 12,000 to Sibi. Now remaining amount, commission to Manoj. Net profit after Sibi's commission. So out of 60,000 profit, we gave 12,000 to Sibi. So remaining profit, how much will be there? 48,000. So on this 48,000 only, we are going to calculate for Manoj commission. So if the word is given after charging all commission, use this formula. Net profit after Sibi's commission into percentage of commission divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. So after giving Sibi's commission, remaining profit is 48,000 into 20% divided by 120. That means the word is given after 20 divided by 100 plus the same percentage 20. 48,000 into 20 by 120. So we got 8,000. So Manoj commission 8,000. So listen carefully. Firm made 60,000 profit. On this amount, we gave 12,000 commission to Sibi and 8,000 rupees commission to Manoj. So remaining how much will be there? 60,000 minus 20,000. How did you get 20,000? Sibi's commission 12,000 plus Manoj commission 8,000. So we made in the name of expenses commission 20,000. So remaining profit 60,000 minus 20,000. How much remaining will be there? 40,000. Understood? So this 40,000 will be shared among these two partners. So in the ratio 1:1. That means equally. So Sibi's share of profit 40,000 divided by 2, 20,000. That the same thing will be getting for Manoj also. Manoj share of profit 40,000 divided by 2, 20,000. So after the payment of commission to both the partners, remaining profit 40,000. So this 40,000 will be shared among Sibi and Manoj. Each will be getting 20,000 distribution of profit. Now look at next one, profit and loss appropriation account. What does it mean? It is nothing but a P&L account along with some adjustment. So last year itself we have prepared profit and loss while doing final accounts, trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So profit and loss appropriation account is an extension of P&L account prepared for the purpose of adjusting the transaction relating to amounts due to and amounts due from partners. So it is nothing but of extension of P&L account. If it is any amount due from partners or due to partners, both things will be entered in under P&L appropriation account. It is credited with net profit and interest on drawings. Only these two items will be appearing under P&L appropriation account. So this is a formula, by heart the formula. So credit side, only these two items. First one is profit and loss. That means profit, net profit will be entered under credit side, and then interest on drawings of partners. Then move on to debit side. What are the items to be debited while preparing P&L appropriation account? Interest on capital of partners, salary, commission and profit. Share of profit, distribution of profit will be entered under debit side. Clear? Debit side only 4 items. Interest on capital, salary, commission, distribution of profit for the partner. Clear? So with the help of this formula, how to prepare P&L appropriation account, let me see. Read question number 21. Anand Narayanan are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. On 1st January 2018, their capital were 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. The partnership deed specifies the following. Look at point number A. Interest on capital is to be allowed 6% per annum. Point B. Interest on drawings charged to Anand and Narayanan are 1,000 and 800 respectively. Third one. The net profit of the firm before considering interest on capital and interest on drawings amounted to 35,000. So we have to pass necessary journal entries and prepare P&L appropriation account as on 31st December 2018. Assume that the capitals are fluctuating. So fluctuating, we have to use one and only capital account, not current account. So we have to pass journal entries for interest on capital, interest on drawings, and distribution of profit. And also we should prepare P&L appropriation account. So write the head journal entries, date particulars, LF, debit and credit column. First one, A, interest on capital account debtor to Anand's capital account to Narayanan's capital account. Now look at the question. How much they have contributed as capital? Anand has contributed 50,000. Rate of interest on capital is 6%. So 50,000 into 6 by 100, 3,000. Now look at Narayanan's capital amount. How much he has contributed? 30,000. So 30,000 into rate of interest 6 by 100. So 1,800. So totally from the business, we are providing 4,800 to the partner's capital account. Clear? The name of interest on capital account should be debited to Anand capital account 3,000, to Narayanan's capital account 1,800. So interest on capital 6% is provided. Then second point, profit and loss appropriation. So this interest on capital account should be closed. So pass journal entry for interest on capital. Profit and loss appropriation account debtor 4,800 to interest on capital account 4,800. So interest on capital account closed. So point number A, we have to pass two journals for providing interest on capital and closing interest on capital. These two entries should be passed. Then move on to second one, interest on drawings. So interest on drawings, vice versa of interest on capital journal. So Anand capital account debtor 1,000 amount is already given in the question itself. We need not calculate. Narayanan's capital account debtor 800 to interest on drawings account 1,800. So interest on drawings charged. So we have to pass one more journal for closing interest on drawings. Look at the next journal for interest on drawings. For closing interest on drawings, journal entry, interest on drawings account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Interest on drawings account closed. Third one, after preparing profit and loss appropriation account only, we come to know profit of the partners. So let me prepare profit and loss appropriation account. There only we could find out the share of profit of the partners. After that only we can fill this journal. Look at the next account, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2018. Create debit side, credit side, particulars for both the sides. Just go through the formula. Debit side, 4 items. Interest on capital, Anand, Narayanan. So 3,000 for Anand, Narayanan 1,800. Add and bring it outer column 4,800. So as per formula, interest on capital, salary, commission. So in this question, interest on capital account alone given, salary and commission are not there. So leave that. Then move on to credit side. By profit and loss account. That means the net profit of the firm. How much it is given? 35,000. Then interest on drawings of the partner should be credited. Only two items. By net profit or P&L account, 35,000. Then interest on drawings of the partners for Anand 1,000 and Narayanan 800. So totally credit side. So credit side total 36,800. So far we have entered only one item under debit side 4,800. Now take the difference between these two sides. 36,800 minus 4,800. We got 32,000 profit for the partners. So this profit will be shared among these two partners. To partners capital account, profit for the partners balancing figure. How do they share? Out of profit 32,000. So they are sharing. Look at the agreed ratio 5:3. So 32,000 into 5 by 8 for Anand. So we got, do the calculation, we got 20,000 share of profit for Anand. Narayanan 32,000 out of 8 share, he got 3. So 3 by 8. So do the calculation for Anand share of profit 12,000. So 20,000, 12,000 for Anand and Narayanan. So 32,000. So after finding this only, we can prepare that journal entry. Profit and loss appropriation account data 32,000 to Anand capital account, to Narayanan's capital account 12,000. Clear? So just go through the formula for profit and loss appropriation account. So enter all these answers in your classwork note. Let me see remaining sums in the next class. Thank you.